What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing the replacement of all 4 rims. We got some rims last night, we got them for like £200. They're quite nice, they're quite alloys, they're forged steel alloys, 17-inch, which are quite decent. But yeah, the ones on the car just now, as you can currently see, they're very tatty and they're covered in like a lot of road rash. We need to get that replaced. We're thinking about still getting it wrapped onto the car, but we're not too sure what to do yet. But guys, let's get straight into this video. Right, let's get the jack and the breaker bar out of the boot. So we've got the jack here, we've got the breaker bar here. For the Mini Coopers, it's underneath the boot cover. So let's start with breaking all the tyres while the vehicle's still down, as it helps it. Make sure the vehicle is also in park. So put the clutch down and put the vehicle into park. It just stops it rolling backwards. So yeah, so these tyres. So these are the new alloys here. They're forged, flow, which are really nice. I was thinking about taking these centre caps out here and replacing it with those ones, so let's see if we can do that. You can see the jack and points there. The other ones have all been removed, sadly. So let's try and jack this car up. So, with it.
Thoughts is organized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're
right, so let's grab it, you're at the bottom. And the tyre, there we go.
and now you're out of time. And now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just
So there's always jack it down a little bit until it starts sitting on the tyre, and then just tighten them down a little bit more because the weight the car's now on them, and doing a crisscross pattern.
from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time.
I don't know as well as you can see this, but if I do this, there's a little mountain jack there. See that hole there? That's the mounting point to do the jack for the Mini. It should have pads, but sadly the last owner I think might have lost them or removed them. So let's quickly get them in these 2 wheels, and then let's go to Halfords. So we're now done with the other 2 wheels and this wheel. See, the back tyres are XLs, they're extra large for more grip, and then the front ones are just normals. So that's how I varied what ones went on which wheels, and there's arrows as well pointing to each wheels. Let's get cracking with this one and then let's see what the car looks like at the end. this is the car after. This is what the car looks like now with the black wheels. I think it makes the characteristic of the car 20 times better. Here's the 3 wheels, one on the wall there. I think it makes it look much better. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment. It's something a little bit different from the Explorer. We have got an Explorer video coming up soon as well. But yeah, kind of first time changing all the rims, and it's quite simple, quite easy. Didn't really have any problems doing it whatsoever. The wheel locking nuts, I need to go and get some wheel locking nuts for the car. I need to go to BMW to get that. But yeah, this is the BMW Mini Cooper R50, which is a really good model for modifying. But yeah guys, we will see you in the next one.
All the bricks that I own and know, I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.